National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northern Poweshiek County in central Iowa, southeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, southern Tama County in central Iowa, northeastern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Newton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Rock Creek Lake around 6:10 p.m. Grinnell around 6:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Toledo and Tama. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Poweshiek, and Tama. A tornado warning remains in effect.